Local SEO is still one of the best ways to generate leads for your business. We see thousands of highly qualified leads come through to our clients' websites just from local search results. So what is local SEO? This is where your website is optimised to show in the map listing directly under the ads and also in the natural search listings under the map pack. With the right strategy, you can rank for any keywords in your local area. And in this video, we are going to show you 10 SEO hacks to get you to the top. Stick around for number 1 because this is something we see so many websites doing that's stopping them from being at the top of Google. 1. Find the best keywords that your competitors are ranking for. This is a great way to start any SEO campaign. You can see what your competitors are ranking for and also how many people are searching for those keywords. There are a few SEO tools that you can use, but one of our favourites is SEMrush. SEMrush gives you a free trial, so you will have plenty of time to find the best keywords. Go to Google and search for a website that ranks for a keyword that you want to be on the top for, such as plumbers in London. Go to the first business website, copy their URL and drop it into SEMrush. Click through to the keywords and this will show you all of the keywords that this page ranks for, and also how many people are searching for this keyword a month. Download all of the data to a spreadsheet and sort out which keywords you want to use on your website. This will give you a good idea on what website pages you will need. 2. Having pages for each service. Once you have downloaded the competitors' keywords, this will give you a good idea on what pages you will need to build for your website. Let's say you are a plumbing business based in London, but you also do boiler repairs and drainage. From doing keyword research, this will show you what pages you will need to build. This will help your pages rank and generate more local job leads. 3. Optimising your Google My Business listing. Submit a free Google My Business listing is a very important part of local SEO. Simply go to google.com/business and submit a listing. Google will send you out a pin within 3 to 4 days. Put in the code and your listing will go live. Update your listing with your logo, company description, services, images of your work, website link, phone number and email address. 4. Writing good titles and descriptions. Your title and description are the first things people see when they do a search on Google, and is also one of the top ranking factors. To write the perfect title and description, make sure it includes the main keywords and keyword variations. So for example, if you are a loft conversion company based in London, make sure your title includes keywords such as loft conversions London and also variations like loft extensions and loft experts. This will help rank for multiple keywords. There is a lot that goes into writing metadata, so we have put a link in the description of this video for a full training on that. 5. Get lots of reviews. Reviews are an important ranking signal to Google, so make sure you get plenty of them. This is completely free and still most businesses are not using it to its full potential. One of the main reasons companies are not getting enough reviews is that they are just asking their customers, can you leave me a review? Most of the time, customers will forget or simply don't know how to do it. The best places to get reviews are on your Google My Business listing. Simply go to your dashboard and Google will give you a short URL that you can send out to customers. Send this out in an email and a text message saying, "Thank you for using our services. It was great working with you. We are currently building our online reputation. Would you be kind enough to leave us an online review? It really helps our business and we would really appreciate it." Then drop the short URL in this message. This will send them directly to the page and make it easier for them to know what to do. 6. Submit to online business directories. Directory citations send local signals to your website to make it easier for Google to understand where you are located. A directory of citations are websites like Yale.com, Thomson Local and FreeIndex. Submit your website to all of the free local directories. In our experience, the websites that rank the best usually have well over 50 citations. Also, having inconsistent directory citations can harm your rankings. This is where old addresses or wrong information is still on directories linking to your website. Go to SEMrush and there is a brilliant tool that shows you if any of your old directory citations have the wrong information. If any of them are wrong, go to the directory and correct the information. Once this has been cleaned up, it will help with the local rankings. 7. Using schema. Schema is also very important for local SEO. It's a bit of code in your website that helps Google understand where you are located, what type of business you are, and your contact information. This helps with Google rankings because Google has a clearer understanding about what you do and where you are located. So, to install schema on your website, head over to the URL you will see on the screen and start putting in your information about your business. Put in that you're a local business, your website link, logo, currency and email address. What this will do now is create a code for you to add to your website. 8. Geotag images. Geotagging images helps Google understand where the image was taken. Without showing Google where the image was taken, they will never know. So it all helps with local SEO. To do this, you can head over to a website called geoimgr.com. Simply upload an image that you want to geotag. Then you can put in the location you want to tag the image in. You can then re-download the image and it will have the longitude and latitude embedded in the image. You can then re-upload this to your website and Google My Business listing page. This all helps with local rankings. 9. Find your competitors' links. Backlinks are essentially other websites that link to yours. This is still a massive ranking factor on Google. You can get links a number of different ways, from guest postings on other sites, directory citations, or sponsored posts. In many cases, if your website has all of the on-page optimization work done, and you are still not at the top of Google, it might just be that your competitors have better links than you. Finding your competitors' links is a great way to find link building opportunities. You can use SEMrush for this again. Put in your competitor's website and then click through to backlinks. This will show you all of your competitors' links. Open the website up, then contact the website owner and see what it will take to get your business listed on there. Getting sites linking back to you will increase your overall domain authority and Google will rank you higher. 10. Improve the content on your page. This is something we see all the time, web pages with bad content. You will never rank highly for good keywords if your content is either poorly written, includes none of your target keywords, has a really low word count, or has no images and is just a big lump of text. So a good way to do this is to do a Google search for your desired keyword. Let's say, building contractors London. Look at the images on the page, the word count, the quality of content, and see what you can do for your website that would increase the quality of the content. This way, you can outrank any website for any keyword. So we hope you've got some use from that. If you follow at least 3 of those strategies, we know you'll get plenty of job leads for your business. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like this video, comment below and subscribe to our channel.